The challenge for the maritime sector are the volume of the new fuels that we need to decarbonize. We have a big objectives, reductions that Europe and international organizations are asking to us. For example, 80% of the reductions in 2050, the European regulation, and 100% of the reduction, the International Maritime Organization. We are vessels, we are actives and vehicles that we move every 30 years, and now we just are opening new vessels that has to be neutral in 30 years. That means at the end of the life of this vehicle. So it's really difficult to have clear which are the different fuels that you have to plan from now to put in these vessels that will be running still in the net zero objective in 2050. The volume, the fuel, decarbonize, the different options. Because of that, we are thinking in the alliance with different groups how are the best methods to be flexible to incorporate these fuels that we need in the next decade. These big volumes of the new fuels that we need mainly can be used with hydrogen. Pure hydrogen, reformed to methanol, to ammonia, synthetic methane, because of in the vessels we need the best solution to put the fuel in the vessel. So pure hydrogen has a volume that perhaps is not doesn't fit with the big container ship that we have to move. So we need these derivatives like methanol, ammonia that use less volume on board. So hydrogen with the volume that we need to be neutral in 2050 are the synthetic solution that will be complementary to the bio liquids or biofuels that just now are available but not enough in the volume. So hydrogen just starting now with these fuels on the maritime, but hydrogen and the derivatives are the solution. All the studies and reports are telling that hydrogen with the derivatives will be used 70-80% of the fuel in 2050. So we need to improve and to grow the volume and the project to produce this fuel. eMobility is really important congress and for the networking. Here we can hit different technology. We can meet important people on the sector, producers, consumers, like we have in the Alliance, but we have the producers too, and the technology companies that have to improve the current technology to obtain this important fuel for the future that we need in the maritime, or the electrification that we need on the ports. This electrification to connect the vessel, for example, with the new regulations. I mean, during these 3 days, we connect here, we meet, we talk, we learn one from the other. This is the important objective that we came here, and this is the objective that I think after these days we obtain being here.